hope you all are doing well. I am back with another video. Now this time it is for civil engineering student. These courses are totally free of cost. By enrolling in this course, you can build up your basic knowledge. Let's start. Our first course is AutoCAD Online Tutorial Training course for beginners. You will gain knowledge about basic commands of AutoCAD. AutoCAD is Autodesk's flagship software for computer-aided drafting and design. In general, a user can complete this course within 2 to 10 hours. After that, you will gain a certificate. Our next course is Civil 3D Training course for beginners. Its level 1 is free of cost. Civil 3D is AutoCAD vertical product for civil engineering industry. It has 48 lectures and duration is 2 hours. Third course is Revit online course for beginners. This is a free Revit architecture beginner level course. You will learn to use the basic commands of Revit, including the interface and essential commands. Autodesk is a design tool very popular with architects and building design professionals. The link is in the description box for enrolling in all the 3 courses. Now for an instance, I want to enroll in AutoCAD course. Click on Get It Free. After that, you will get a page like this. Fill your name, email, password, country, and state. Click on I have read and agree to terms of use. Then sign up. Or you can sign up with LinkedIn, Facebook, or Google account. Now you can start learning your course. After you are done with this, click on Complete and Continue. When you complete your course 100%, refresh it, then click on Get Your Certificate. You will be awarded Certificate of Achievement. You can also verify your certificate by this QR code. Now that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. So please do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon. If you want me to explain in Hindi, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.